Hello everyone, today I will share with you how I made this gift tray. It's really simple to make, so let's get started. Take a shallow ball and foam that's around 1 inch in thickness. Fully wrap the foam around the ball. Leave a 1/4 inch of foam above the rim. Secure the foam to the ball, so apply hot glue and attach the foam. Now we have to wrap the foam around the ball. Apply glue to the top part of the exterior of the ball and firmly press in the foam to make sure that it's fully attached. Connect both ends of the foam with hot glue and make sure it's a seamless connection. Now for the bottom part of the ball, we're going to repeat the steps with the hot glue and pushing in the foam. We are going to make sure that the foam is fully attached from the bottom as well. Use a velvet fabric. I'm going to be using the white color. You can use any color that you prefer. Now to attach the fabric to the ball, apply hot glue at the base of the ball and make sure that the fabric is fully connected. Now for the fun part. We have to pull this nice stretchy velvet fabric to get this beautiful curved finish. Start by applying hot glue to the inner rim of the ball and pull the fabric as much as you can. You have to make sure it's a really nice and tight finish. Now we'll have to attach the fabric to the interior of the ball. To do that, we're going to apply hot glue and you're going to take the fabric and fold. It is really important that you fold the fabric when you're attaching it. This step makes sure that the fabric overlays are very soft since we are folding the edges. It gives it much more volume and makes the tray look more wholesome. Repeat the same steps again until all the fabric is really nicely and neatly tucked in. You don't want to see any edges of the fabric. For some decoration, we'll be using some self-adhesive rhinestone trim. These are the sticky ones. They're really strong. Apply it to the exterior of the ball. They're really good to use because if it's mispositioned, you can just readjust quickly. Next, we will be making a bow. Use some nice white textured ribbon. Hot glue the edges of the ribbon inwards. Now we're going to make the bow a bit more 3D-ish, so we're going to apply hot glue to the middle and you're going to pinch it inwards. This gives that bow more volume. For some decoration, wrap some rhinestone around the bow and hot glue it to the gift tray now. For the handle, we will be using zip tie. These are the extra large ones. Play around with the shape to make it a more curved, unified shape. Decide how high you want it. So here I'm adjusting the height. I don't want it too high, but not too low as well. Play around with the shape again. Make sure it's really nice and curved. You don't want any bumps. I'm cutting off the end because I want both ends to be really flat. Some velvet strip fabrics to wrap around the handle. Hot glue one small section so it's a really nice clean finish. We are going to be using this to wrap around the handle. This is the beginning point. This is going to make sure that all the other wrapping that we do has that curved continued on. Here I finished one strip of the fabric, so now I'm going to be attaching another one by repeating the same steps again and attaching it where I finished off. To attach the handle to the body, I want it to be tilted, so I'm going to rotate it slightly and then position the handles where I want it. Make a small cut in the fabric where the handle is supposed to go. Apply hot glue inside. Slide in the handle and attach. Hot glue the side of the handle to the side of the body as well. Repeat the same step for the other side of the handle and you should get something like this. To add more volume to the handle, we're going to be adding some fake fur yarn. So hot glue the fur yarn on top all the way around. And we're also going to be applying it in the interior of the handle as well, all the way around. For some decoration, use acrylic beads and some decorative diamond gems. Attach the diamond gems on both ends of the beads. Attach these towards the back of the handle. Place them how you prefer. I like more flowy design, so I am spacing them out and overlapping them. If any solo diamonds are needed, just attach one diamond to the beads. Use decorative feathers to give it a more messier look. You also use this to hide away where the beads are attached to the handle. Cut off any excess part that you think is not needed and just attach them and cover up so it's a really nice messy look. This gives it lots and lots of volume. Combine texture pearls, small glass pearls, with elastic thread. We're going to use this string to wrap around the handle. But midway up, we are going to slowly make it fall to be a part of the design. And then when it's coming down the handle, we're going to wrap it up again, and then it goes inside under the cloth and covered up. And here you have it, a beautiful gift tray with a gorgeous handle. It's really easy to make, really easy to follow. If you liked my video, please subscribe, like, and comment on how you found my tutorial and share if you get the chance to make it. Until next time, bye bye.